in a series of videos by Eaton Technologies discussing Symantec's SVS Pro. In this video we will show you how to install the server component of SVS Pro. For demonstrative purposes only, I am installing SVS Pro on a Windows XP PC with IIS already installed and configured. In a production environment you should use Windows Server instead. I have the installation source already extracted to a directory on the C drive, so now we'll double-click on launch.exe to begin the installation. When presented with the welcome screen, select Install Components. Now select Install Streaming Server. At the welcome screen for Altiris SVS Professional Streaming System 5.2.2, click Next. Accept the license agreement, then click Next. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm performing a single node setup. Choose single node, then click Next. The installation is now asking me for the location of my license file. Browse the location of your license file, click on OK, then click Next to continue the installation. The Altiris demo license files are available on their website for download. At the component configuration screen, accept all defaults, then click Next. I am receiving a warning message because I did not stop my default web page before beginning the installation. Click on OK to view the details about the error message. As you can see in this window, setup has detected that port 80 is in use. I will now go through the steps required to stop my default web page before continuing with the SVS Pro installation. Once the default website has been stopped, click Back. Now we can click Next without receiving a warning message that a port is in use. At this point of the installation, you can choose to proceed with an existing database system or install PostgreSQL. I am choosing to install PostgreSQL. Click Next. At this screen, I will accept the new user account name, give it a password, then click Next. On this screen I can review the summary of my installation, then click Install to continue. The installation can take several minutes to complete depending on the speed of your computer. Once the installation is complete, click on Finish to exit the installation wizard. SVS Pro requires you to restart your computer to complete setup. I will click Yes to restart my computer now. Now that my computer is restarted, I will create a shortcut on my desktop for Altiris Streaming Console, then launch it. We haven't set up any security yet, so we can log in with the user ID of admin and no password. We are now logged in to Altair's SVS Professional Console. This concludes Video 2 by Eden Technologies, installing SVS Pro. Please be sure to watch Video 3, where we will configure our SVS Pro server. Thank you.